whole Mandir ecosystem that you're describing, and it's amazingly inspiring depiction of how society could be organized based on the wisdom of the Vedic scriptures, and so complex that a reductive, westernized constitution just hasn't been able to grasp. And it's something that really needs further discussion because the world could really do with it right now to take us away from all the fear, the greed, the chaos that we see around us. Do you think that we could actually achieve this? I mean, it sounds like we need it. It's such a rich way of living. What are the roadblocks preventing that from coming out into the open?
So, Navita ji, some of my thought processes are about, uh, you know, like you know, if you look at the kind of the entire ecosystem set up in the ancient India, you see one concept about the preservation of life cycles, and you see how economics gels up with that, and you also see that not just economics, entire life cycles of animal and the plant kingdom also covered over here. I believe a lot of animals and birds that the world lost is directly related to the destruction of Indian mandirs. Because even today, there are some mandirs left who are talking about feeding rats, monkeys, snakes, squirrels, and when you see some of the devis having even lion and a tiger as their vehicle. So we are also talking about carnivores, because there is a scientific role of animals in soil health, in food chain, in pollution control. So I believe that the lack of knowledge and orientation is the biggest challenge among the Indian citizens and the state. So, if we are able to remove this confusion, because today, when an Indian citizen goes to a mandir and he's giving his wealth in front of the Bhagwan, he does not know what utility this entire process has, right? He is thinking at this point and stage, because we can clearly map the degradation of our civilization from having campuses in mandir, around the mandir, and now we have demo mandirs in university campuses. That's the chart of our downfall,
Well,
right?
also this new initiative of e-temples. So you don't have to go to a temple. You can just log on and take part in a particular puja. I mean, that sounds like it's very destructive to the whole ecosystem that builds around a temple.
It is hilarious that we are talking about online darshan and online puja, because, as I said, people have no clue what this entire process entails. People right now are thinking that they are giving money for maintenance of the mandir ecosystem. The truth is, the mandir ecosystem is supposed to maintain the life cycles. So the people are right now looking it as they're contributing something to the mandir, and they are not aware it is actually mandir which is an equipment which is contributing the entire life cycle of this planet. So until and unless we get this orientation and knowledge out, I think I think that's where the roadblock lies.
Hmm.
People are not aware what this entire Sanatan economics model was about, which is where I'm trying to plug up, trying to dig what ancient India, they used to operate. And I believe that I'll bring a lot of stuff in my book.
I was going to say, we need your book quickly. We need you to um, get it published. Like, what's the timing of that? When are you expecting to release it?
Before the G20 Leaders Summit,
Okay,
I believe it will be done.
okay, great. So we can't wait.
Please remember to subscribe to us and switch on the notifications for this channel. For our other social media links, more content, and to support our work, please visit citti.net. Dhanyavad. Namaskar.